Matayo, my peeps! In this episode, we are gonna make something different. We're gonna make masks. This DIY portion is a little different from what I've been doing because, well, I'm not unmasking anything. In fact, I'm wearing a mask. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's start with a 4x12 piece of fabric. It can be scrap fabric. Now fold it in half. Make a dot in the middle, and then from the top, make a dot an inch in. Now, connect that dot with the dot in the middle. From the bottom, just half an inch. And now connect that dot like so. Now it's time to sew. Sew those dots from top to the middle, then to the bottom. When that's done, we're going to give the mask a shape. Just follow the shape how I'm doing this. Now you're going to do exactly the same at the bottom. Now cut out the shape and we'll have something like this. Don't forget to cut the excess from where we stitched. Now find a front-facing fabric, which is also made of cotton, and do exactly what we did, following the shape exactly how we did it, just like so. Now we're ready to put these two together. Put the two sides front facing each other and now pin it down. We're going to stitch 1/4 inch as spacing all around, just like so, but make sure you leave one side open. Once that's done, cut the excess. Now flip the whole thing out like so. Now your mask is taking shape. To keep the shape, you need to stitch it all around, top stitching it like so. Now don't forget to stitch the sides. Now all you need to do is attach the garters, and we have something like this. You can use different fabrics and different wacky prints. Now you're off. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to follow my social media channel. Bye and see you again.